The customer selected 6TL with Digitaltest because the speed of testing 4 boards in 24 seconds, not only ICT, but it's analog test, digital test, and functional test in one unit that capable to do all his needs, including flash programming, boundary scan, all kind of tests that he needs to fulfill all his requirements.
One of the most important things to do is meeting the customer before going to his facility and making the acceptance here. So we are performing something named GR&R test, GR&R report. We are performing in stability, and we are going to see the reproducibility and the productivity of the machine. And this is something when we are here and doing it before going to the customer facility, this will reduce the time of the delivery, and this will assure that if any thing the customer needs, we can fulfill his needs here before going to his facility, which will make the acceptance easier and will make the customer, if any needs he have, the best thing in 6TL that they are very good in making customization and they can change things fast.
The main reason he selected 6TL handlers is the speed of the belts, the speed of the handler itself, and the capability of adding more units, that it is like cascaded unit. Like this is one handler, you can add another handler, and if the board is busy here with testing some boards, it can go to another handler and test more. So he can actually double or triple his production line.